Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the phone and cable because a stable connection matters more than settings. Plug the phone into the laptop now and unlock it. Once done, confirm mobile data is active. On Android, swipe down and tap USB options to allow data transfer. If tethering isn't visible, enable developer options and set USB configuration to RN-DIS or tethering. Make sure the cable and phone ports are clean and firmly connected, so packets can flow reliably between devices. Now you enable USB tethering on the phone and confirm the laptop detects a new interface. On the phone, toggle USB tethering. Once active, the laptop should create an Ethernet or RN-DIS adapter automatically. If Windows needs drivers, let it search or install the phone's driver. On Mac OS and Linux, check Network Preferences or run ifconfig or IP to see the interface and assigned IP. If DHCP fails, assign a static IP in the same subnet so traffic routes correctly through the phone. Finish by confirming internet access and optimizing the connection. Open a browser, load a page, and run a quick speed test to ensure throughput. If slow, check mobile signal and close background apps on the phone. If you see no internet, toggle USB tethering off and on, unplug and replug the cable, then give the laptop a moment to require DHCP. One key troubleshooting tip: if the adapter shows limited connectivity, restarting the phone or reinstalling the phone's USB network driver usually resolves driver or DHCP issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.